Students, today topic is acid and all bases have in common. That is a commonly one element is commonly present in acid and base. Maybe that is ions presence. All acids generate hydrogen gas and react with the metal. That is a metal react with all acids. That is a metal react with all acids to produce the hydrogen gas. So this hydrogen gas is commonly present in all acids. Hydrogen commonly present in all acids. So this topic will now discuss about these activities. Now you see the activities. You take one beaker. In beaker filled with dilute hydrochloric acid. Beaker filled with dilute hydrochloric acids and fit with a rubber cork. This rubber cork does not conduct the current. And in rubber cork, two nail is inside the two nail. One nail connected with the battery, 6 volt battery, and another nail is connected with the switch and bulb. Now the switch is on. The hydrochloric acids produce a H plus ion and chloride ion. When the switch is on, the bulb is glowing. The bulb is glowing, indicating current conducting through the solution. So reason, what is the reason? Hydrochloric acid, that is acids, to produce the H plus ion and Cl minus ion. These ions responsible for current conducting solutions. Activities. Take a solution of glucose, alcohol, hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid. 4 test activities. That is one is a glucose solution, another alcohol solution, hydrochloric and sulfuric acid. Fix 2 nail on cork and place the cork in a 100 ml beaker. 100 ml beaker, you put a cork, 2 nail and filled with hydrochloric acid. Connect the nail to the terminal of 6 volt battery through the bulb and switch as shown in figure. Now pour some dilute hydrochloric acid in a beaker and switch on the current. Now you switch on the current, the bulb is glowing, the current is moving. That's this current is responsible. This ion is moving one electrode to another electrode. That is a current is glowing, moving to the one side. The bulb is glowing. The same activity repeat with the dilute sulfuric acid. Instead of hydrochloric acid, you take sulfuric acid dilute and or glucose or alcohol. There is 3 solution. Now, dilute hydrochloric acid and dilute sulfuric acid activities. Current conduct through the solution and bulb is glowing. Current conduct the solution through the solution and bulb glowing. Reason, current dilute HCl and dilute sulfuric acid produce the ion such as hydrochloric acid produce a H plus ion and Cl minus ion. Sulfuric acid to produce a H plus ion and sulfate ion. These ions are responsible for conducting current. Hydrochloric acid produce a H plus ion and chloride ion. Sulfuric acid when it produce a H plus ion and sulfate ion. These ions are responsible for conducting. These all 4 ions are responsible for current conducting. Hydrochloric acid when it is dissolved in water to produce a H plus ion and it is Cl minus ion. Sulfuric acid to produce a H plus ion and sulfate ion. So these 2 acids commonly H plus ion present. So all the acids generate H plus ion. Now another activities, that is the same activities by conducting another solution, glucose and alcohol. Now glucose formula C6H12O6, alcohol C2H5OH. This alcohol is known as ethanol. This alcohol used in sanitations. Now COVID virus 19 using this for hand washing. This alcohol, glucose solutions and alcohol. It's a different beaker containing glucose and alcohol, the same activities. Current does not conduct through the solution. This glucose does not allow the current passing through the alcohol, also does not current passing through the solution. So glucose alcohol does not produce ions, but hydrochloric acid produce ion H plus ion and Cl minus ion. Sulfuric acid produce a H plus ion and sulfate ion SO4 2 minus ion, but glucose alcohol does not produce the ions. Glowing of the bulb indicating there is a flow of electric current through the solution. The electric current is carried through the solution by ions. Ions only responsible for current conducting. The cation present in acid is a H plus ion. In acid, H plus ion is a present. This is known as hydrogen ion. This is known as hydrogen ion. And another name is a proton. H plus ion, another name is proton. Scientific name is a hydrogen ion. This ion is commonly present in all acids. This suggests that acid produces a H plus ion when dissolved in water. So generally hydrogen ion is commonly present in all acids that produce when dissolved in water. Okay, then next the same activity by doing another base. Repeat the same activity using alkali. Alkali means such as soluble base. Soluble base is known as alkali. But all the bases is not dissolved in water, but particularly some bases is dissolved in water is known as alkali, such as sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, KOH, MgOH twice, magnesium hydroxide, and so on. So many bases: KOH, magnesium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. You know, sodium hydroxide another name is a caustic soda. Calcium hydroxide another name is a slaked lime. KOH another name is a caustic potash. Magnesium hydroxide MgOH twice another name is a milk of magnesia. By using these activities, base conduct electricity when electric current passing through the solution. Base conduct electricity when electric current passing through the solution. Say example, sodium hydroxide when it's dissolved in water, sodium ion and OH minus ion. Calcium hydroxide when it's dissolved in water, calcium ion and hydroxide ion. Potassium hydroxide when it's dissolved in water, potassium ion and OH minus ion. So acid generally commonly present H plus ion when dissolved in water. Base commonly dissolved in water to produce a OH minus ion. So acid produce a H plus ion. This H plus ion another name is a proton. Base produce a OH minus ion. This name is a hydroxide ion. Is a commonly present. So generally acid hydrogen ion present. Base is a hydroxide ion present. This suggests that bases produce a OH minus ion. That is a base produce a OH minus ion. Hydroxide ion solution which are responsible for basic property. So basic property. Generally this point is very important. All acid to produce a H plus ion. All base H plus ion name is hydrogen ion. Then another name is a proton. Another name is proton. Scientific name is hydrogen ion. Hydrogen ion. Base his name is hydroxide ion. Base name is hydroxide ion. So generally acid H plus ion produce, base OH minus ion is produced. Acid base in a water solution. Acid base produce ion only in aqueous solution. Note generally acid when it is dissolved in water to produce ions, base when it is dissolved in water, that is aqueous solution, to produce ion. Acid produce a hydrogen ion in aqueous solution, base produce a hydroxide ion in aqueous solution. No, acid produce a H plus ion. What is the name? Proton. H plus ion another name is a proton when it is dissolved in water. Base produce a hydroxide ion, that is a OH minus ion dissolved in aqueous solution, that is a water. Acids produce H plus ion in aqueous solution. Base produce OH minus ion, hydroxide ion in aqueous solution. Now it's an activity. You take a one beaker. You take a one test tube or beaker any. You filled with concentrated sulfuric acid, very highly corrosive nature sulfuric acid, and you add the sodium chloride, that is a common salt, sodium chloride. What happened? This sodium chloride react with sulfuric acids to produce a HCl gas. When sodium chloride react with the sulfuric acid to produce a hydrochloric hydrogen chloride gas, not an acid. HCl is a hydrogen chloride acid. When gaseous state, its name is hydrogen chloride. This hydrogen chloride gas is passed through the delivery tube. Now in this delivery tube, near the delivery tube mouth, near dry litmus paper, blue litmus paper. Now generally previous class we learn about indicator. Acid, the color changes from blue to red litmus paper. Here dry blue litmus paper. Here HCl is a gas, does not color changes, because in a gaseous state hydrochloric acid does not produce the H plus ion, does not produce the H plus ion. Now you see the activity. Take about 1 gram of solid sodium chloride in a clean test tube and dry test tube and set up as a apparatus is shown in figure. Add some concentrated sulfuric acid to the test tube. Sodium chloride react with sulfuric acid to produce a hydrogen gas, hydrogen chloride gas. Sodium chloride solid, when it react with the sulfuric acid to form hydrogen chloride gas. This gaseous nature in hydrogen chloride, no acidic character, no acidic nature, but when it's a solution form is a acidic nature, because in a gaseous state of hydrogen chloride does not produce a H plus ion, When this hydrogen chloride gas pass through the dry litmus paper, blue color, dry, not wet, this blue color does not color changes. This indicate that hydrogen chloride gas does not produce the hydrogen ions. Does not produce the hydrogen ion. This hydrogen chloride gas pass through the moistener, that is this blue litmus paper tipped with water. That is a moist litmus paper. This hydrogen chloride gas react with the moist litmus paper containing water to produce a H plus ion. Now here acid form, blue color changes into red color. This experiment suggests that hydrogen ion in HCl are produced in the presence of water. Mainly in presence of water, H plus ion produce. The separation of H plus ion from HCl molecule cannot occur in absence of water. Now we see the equations. This HCl gas, when passed through the water to form H3O plus ion, this is known as hydronium ion. Hydronium ion, another name is H plus, because the H plus ion is a hydrogen ion is a proton. This proton is unstable. Suddenly react with water to form hydronium ion and chloride ion. So hydrogen chloride gas react with water to produce a hydronium ion and chloride ion. That is a proton. This is a H3O plus ion, name is a hydronium ion. This hydrogen ion, that is a H plus ion, is a proton. H plus ion is another name is a proton, cannot exit alone because proton is unstable. Suddenly gas dissolve in water, HCl suddenly dissolve in water to produce a H plus ion. This is unstable, but they exist after combining with the water molecule. Suddenly react with the water molecule. The hydrogen ion must always shown as H plus ion, that is always shown as H plus aqua solution, or hydronium ion H3O plus. You see, H plus ion dissolve in water to form hydronium ion. So this is unstable because proton is always unstable when it's dissolved in water to form hydronium ion. This is known as hydronium ion. When H plus ion present in water is referenced by H plus aqueous. H plus ion is present in a water is known as referenced by H plus aqueous. Don't reference this type H3O plus aqueous. This is not correct way because already water is present, so don't reference this. Only reference H plus ion and aqueous or H3O plus ion. This is a hydronium ion or H plus ion. Now next, base. Base is dissolved in water. Generally base NaOH dissolved in water to produce a Na plus ion and OH minus ion. That is a sodium hydroxide dissolved in water to form Na plus ion and OH minus ion. Na plus ion and OH minus ion. Potassium hydroxide dissolved in water to produce a K plus ion and OH minus ion. Magnesium hydroxide, that is a milk of magnesia, prevention of acidity, that is used in treatment of acidity. Magnesium hydroxide when it's dissolved in water to form magnesium ion Mg2 plus aqueous solution to OH minus ion aqueous. So all are present in aqueous. So sodium hydroxide solid, potassium hydroxide solid, magnesium hydroxide is a solid. When it's dissolved in water to form Na plus ion and OH minus ion, K plus and OH minus ion, Mg2 plus and OH minus. So generally all bases dissolved in water, OH minus ion is produced. Bases are generate hydroxide ion in water. Base are generate hydroxide ion in water. Now next, alkali. Alkali, what is the meaning of alkali? Base, soluble base is known as alkali. Base which are soluble in water called alkali. Say example, lithium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. These bases are dissolved in water, so is known as alkali. This is known as alkali. So alkali means soluble base is known as alkali. Soluble base is known as alkali. Now all bases do not dissolve in water. Alkali is a base that dissolves in water. So soluble base is known as alkali. They are soapy to touch. Alkali, soapy to touch, and bitter taste, corrosive nature. That is a base or character of base. Soapy to touch, bitter taste. Soapy to touch. So it is used in soap preparation. Bitter taste and corrosive in nature. Neutralization reaction. You know, already studied neutralization reactions. Acid, base react with each other to form salt and water is called neutralization reaction. Or acid, base to form salt react with each other to form salt and water is known as neutralization reaction. I know last video class I will explain this neutralization reactions. All neutralization reaction is releasing heat, so it is a exothermic reaction. Say one example, HX, that is a acid. This in acid commonly H plus ion and another ions. Base metal, that is a OH minus, react this metal, this X to form salt, and this H, this OH react to form water, H2O water. That is a H plus ion, this OH minus ion to react, water is formed. Example, hydrochloric acid react with sodium hydroxide to form sodium chloride and water molecule. Hydrochloric acid HCl, potassium hydroxide KOH to form KCl, potassium chloride and water molecule, water. Sulfuric acids H2SO4, sodium hydroxide NaOH to form sodium sulfate, Na2SO4 sodium sulfate and water H2O. Sulfuric acid H2SO4, KOH potassium hydroxide, potassium sulfate K2SO4 and water molecule H2O. Nitric acid HNO3 react with sodium hydroxide NaOH to produce the sodium nitrate NaNO3 and water molecule. So these are strong acids react with the base NaOH, KOH react to form salt NaCl, KCl, sodium sulfate, potassium sulfate, sodium nitrate, sodium chloride, potassium chloride, sodium sulfate, sodium nitrate. Generally water molecule is releasing. So Generally, acid and base react to each other to form salt and water molecule. These are all example of neutralization reaction. So all the reaction is a neutralization. All the reaction heat is released. All the reaction heat is released. Heat produced in these reactions. Now next topic is water mixed with an acid or base. What happens when acid is dissolved in water or base dissolved in water? What happens? The process of dissolving an acid or base in water is highly exothermic. So when acid or base dissolved in water, heat is releasing. This is known as exothermic changes. So generally acid and base dissolved in water to produce high heat. So it is a exothermic changes. Now you see an activity. You take one beaker, you filled with water. You add the concentrated sulfuric acid drop by drop in a beaker corner, side by side you using, and you use the stir, completely stir, because high heat is releasing. Take 10 ml of water in a beaker. This is a beaker containing 10 ml water. Add a few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid to it and swivel the beaker slowly. Touch the base of the beaker. You touch the beaker, heat is released. Heat is released when acid dissolved in water. So exothermic changes. This exothermic changes. Repeat the activity with the sodium hydroxide bellet. That is a sodium hydroxide base. The acid must change is always added to the slowly in water to concentrate string. If water is added to the concentrated acid, that is beaker, is the water, you add the sulfuric acid. This is a wrong method because high heat is releasing. This high heat splashes tissues. Water is added to the concentrated acid. The heat generated may cause mixture of splash out and cause burns. Dilution. Definition of dilution. Next, dilution. Mixing an acid or base with water result in decrease in the concentration of ion. When is acid dissolved in water, to decrease the H plus ion, that is a H3O plus ion. Base, when it is dissolved in water, OH minus ion. This is a decrease per unit volume. Such a process called dilution, and the acid and base is said to be diluted, and acid base is diluted. Now we see the questions. Harsh question. This is also previous question about this topic. Why do HCl, HNO3 etc. show acidic character in aqueous solution? But while the solution of compound like alcohol, glucose do not show acidic character. HCl, HNO3 show acidic character in aqueous solution. Reason: these acid produce H plus ion in aqueous solution. The acid, when it is dissolved in water, to produce a H plus ion. But alcohol, glucose does not show acidic character. Reason: does not produce a H plus ion in aqueous solution. Second question. Why do dry HCl gas not change the color of dry litmus paper? Any color changes litmus paper, compulsory H plus ion is present. In a dry HCl, not change the color of the dry blue litmus paper, because dry HCl does not produce a H plus ion. Dry litmus H plus ion responsible for colorless. And how is the concentration of hydrogen ion affected when a solution acid is diluted? Concentration of hydronium ion decrease when solution of acid is diluted. When acid is diluted means adding water to the acid, H plus ion or H3O plus ion is a concentration decreases. Next, fourth question. How is concentration of OH minus ion affected when excess base is added? Now you see that beaker, base is present. You extra base solution added to from test tube. So OH minus ion concentration increases. Concentration of hydroxide ion increases when excess base is added. Extra base is added in the solution of sodium hydroxide solution. But you add the water instead of base, you add the water, OH minus, dilution decreases.